Students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session, lesson 5, what we get from plant. In today's session, we are going to learn about parts of a tree and the coconut tree and its uses. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 5, what we get from plants. Topic, parts of a tree and coconut tree. Trees provide shade and shelter, timber for construction, fuel for cooking and heating, and fruit for food, as well as having many other uses. In parts of the world, forests are shrinking as trees are cleared to increase the amount of land available for agriculture. Trees are important as the biggest plant on the planet. They give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil, and give life to the wildlife. They also provide us with the material for tools and shelter. Nowadays, people should stop cut down trees because trees take in carbon dioxide, which cause global warming. Another reason people should stop cutting down trees is because trees exhale oxygen, which is what humans breathe. And if we ran out of oxygen, then no one would be able to breathe. Now let us learn parts of a tree. Trees have three main parts: the leaves, the trunk, and the roots. The upper part of the tree with the branches is called the crown. Needles or leaves or the part of the tree that make sugar from air and water. The stem of the tree is called a trunk or a bark, which means the tiny dark spot present at the center of the tree trunk that is highly protected from damage by wind, insects, and animals. Now let us learn some more information about the coconut tree and its uses. Coconut tree is known as the tree of life, as each part of this tree is useful. Now let us learn some of the uses of coconut tree are as follows. Coconut oil from the fruit is used to cook food and is also used for making soaps and cosmetics, and is also used as hair oil. The pulp of the fruit is used to make cookies, candies, and sweets. Coconut water is used as a refreshing drink. Fiber from the coconut husk is used to make mats, brushes, brooms, etc. The trunk of the tree can be used for its wood to make small bridges, benches, tables, etc. The coconut tree is the member of a palm tree family. The term coconut can refer to the whole coconut palm, the seed or the fruit, which botanically is a true, not a nut. It is one of the most useful tree in the world and is often referred to as the tree of life. It provides food, fuel, cosmetics, folk medicines, and building materials, among many other uses. The inner flesh of the mature seed, as well as the coconut milk extracted from it, forms a regular part of the diets of many people in the tropics and subtropics. Coconuts are distinct from other fruits because their endosperm contains a large quantity of clear liquid called coconut water or coconut juice. Mature ripe coconuts can be used as edible seeds or processed for oil and plant milk from the flesh. Charcoal from the hot shell and coir from the fibrous husk. Dried coconut flesh is called copra, and the oil and milk derived from it are commonly used in cooking, frying in particular, as well as in soaps and cosmetics. The hard shells, fibrous husk, and long leaves can be used as material to make variety of products for furnishing and decorations. Drinking coconut water acts as a digestive. It helps in quick digestion and prevents bloating after meals. Regular consumption of coconut water also helps in maintaining the electrolyte balance in your body, and this keeps your blood pressure in control and improve digestive functions. Coconut oil may be linked to some potential benefits for skin, including reducing inflammations, keeping skin moisture, and helping heal wounds. So children, the coconut palm is one of the most beautiful and useful trees in the world, grown in more than 80 countries of the tropical. It supplies food, drink and shelter, and also supply raw materials to a number of industries intimately connected with domestic as well as economic life. I hope you got clear information about parts of a tree and coconut tree and its uses. Thank you students. Have a nice day.